All right, if you're watching this tutorial, you are wanting to try to change your font. So here's currently the font is pretty straightforward. There's nothing really fun about the font, but you can change the font. And so if you go to fonts.google.com, you will see a bunch of different fonts. I mean, hundreds of fonts. And so here's how you actually add or change the font. All right, so let me pick a font where it's going to be like pretty easy for you all to see kind of the change. All right, so maybe this one right here. So if I select it, and then there's a ton of different styles. All right, so like maybe I'll pick this one. So I'll click select this style, and then it says embed. So it says copy this code into the head of your HTML. Okay, so like right here, I'm going to need to copy this whole thing. So I copy that. I go back into my page right here, and it says copy it into the head of your HTML. So my HTML head is right over here, and you see where it says head right here on line 3? Well, what I'm going to have to do is I'll go ahead and click after here on line 4 and click enter right here, and then I'll just paste that on line 5. So that's pasted. But now when I go back here, it says CSS rules. So remember, CSS adds the style. So I'm going to copy this. And now when I go back here, I need to go to my style.css page. I can add that to whatever section I want. So do I want to add that to my headings? Do I want to add it to my paragraph tag? I'm thinking that maybe adding that to my heading will be cool. So then I'll go ahead and paste it. And then you noticed right over here, my font changed. Now, if I wanted to, add that to my paragraphs as well, well, I have to go to the paragraph selector and go ahead and paste there as well. And so now I've got a cool font. That's how you change your fonts.